Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So to start off with this look, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm taking that orange shade and I am blending this into my crease, well, a little above my crease, and I'm using this as my transition color. Next, I am taking this warm brown shade in the bottom row, and I'm taking the same brush to apply this in my crease, and this brush is a Makeup Addiction diffused blender brush. Next, I'm taking this purple shade right here, and I'm taking this on a Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 blending brush to apply this directly in my crease. And I do build up all my colors, you guys, so I'm gonna pack this shade on in my crease. And right after that, I took the shade right underneath. It's a darker purple, and I used the same brush to apply this also in my crease to deepen up the crease a bit. So I did not show this part, but I took a black eyeshadow with the same brush and applied it to the outer corner of my eye. So to carve my crease, I'm taking my e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, and I am doing a half cut crease, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 concealer brush. And right after that, I'm taking the same deep purple shade and I'm going to blend it in the edge of the concealer so it wouldn't look too harsh. So here I just sprayed my brush, and I'm picking up the ABH eyeshadow in the shade Moss, which is a beautiful shimmery olive eyeshadow color, and I'm using the ABH A13 eyeshadow brush to apply it on my lid. Next, I took the eyeshadow right next to it, which is called Tiger's Eyes. It's more like a shimmery lime, and I popped that more in the inner lid. So for lashes, I'm taking the Lena Lashes. The name will be down in the description box. And I did my wing with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I cannot film doing my wing, you guys. I'm sorry. Now time for skin. Of course, I'm going to be using my Pond's Face Moisturizer to moisturize my face. And for foundation, I chose to use, again, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and it's my perfect match, you guys. And I'm just going to blend all this out with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. You guys, you can find this at any drugstore. This is a really good, affordable beauty blender. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, my chin, my nose. You guys know the drill. And the brush I'm using is a Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 concealer brush. I think it's like a large concealer brush. And once again, I'm going to blend all this out with the same Real Techniques sponge. And the sponge is damped, you guys. Make sure you damp your sponge. So after I've blended everything out, I'm going to take my black Radiance setting powder in the shade Banana, which I am loving right now. This is like my 4th time using this powder, and I have no complaints. It's honestly bomb. It makes your face look so flawless and so smooth. So moving on to bronzer, I'm going to take the ABH bronzer in the shade Saddle, taking my large contour brush that y'all know I got from Marshall's, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Next, I'm taking the ABH Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm taking the shade Breeze, and I'm going to apply this to my cheeks with the Real Techniques blush brush. Now I'm quickly setting my makeup with my CoverGirl setting spray. So while my makeup is setting, I like to go back in to complete my eyes. So I'm taking the I'm taking all the shades that I use in my crease, and I'm going to blend it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply a ton of coats of mascara, and this is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. I really love Wet n Wild mascaras. So next, I'm taking that same Tiger's Eyes shade, which is that light lime shimmer color, and apply that in the inner corners. So time for the glow. I'm taking the BH Cosmetic Desert Oasis palette, which I'm in love with now, and I'm taking the shade Mirage and Utopia to highlight my face. I went ahead and lined my lips with my brown lip liner, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Rock Sand. And I was thinking about putting on a gloss after this, but I really liked how the look came out with just matte lips. So this is the completed look, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I told you guys I was going to come through with the fall looks. And also, if you want a hair tutorial on this ponytail, please let me know down in the comments section. And I'll talk to you guys next time.